Billions of years ago, Earth was a barren, hostile place. Yet, deep in the primordial waters, life found a way. Tiny, single-celled organisms struggled to survive, and from their struggles, evolution was born. But what if we told you that today, a remarkable bacterial species is showing us a glimpse of how multicellular life may have first emerged? Picture Earth in its infancy, lava flows carving landscapes, lightning igniting chemical reactions, and turbulent oceans teeming with microscopic life. These were the conditions under which life had to adapt, evolve, and ultimately thrive. But survival wasn't easy. The earliest life forms faced constant environmental threats: UV radiation, extreme temperatures, and scarce resources. To endure, they had to innovate. For eons, single-celled organisms lived solitary lives, each one an independent unit, surviving through raw competition. But something remarkable began to happen. Some cells found strength, not in isolation, but in unity. Fast forward to the present day. A team of scientists set out on a journey not through time, but through the microscopic world to uncover the evolutionary secrets hidden within a unique bacterial species. Their goal? To understand how cooperation, rather than competition, might have shaped life itself. What they found was a phenomenon that could change our understanding of evolution. The researchers cultivated the bacteria under extreme conditions: starvation, heat, chemical threats mimicking the brutal forces that early life on Earth endured. Instead of perishing, these bacteria did something extraordinary. They joined forces. Rather than behaving as isolated individuals, they began forming multicellular structures, cooperating to enhance their survival. This behavior wasn't just a random accident. It was a strategy that might mirror the first steps of complex life on Earth. This simple yet profound shift in behavior marks the foundation of a key evolutionary leap: the transition from unicellular to multicellular life. Over millions of years, similar behaviors in ancient microbes may have led to the formation of the first true multicellular organisms, creatures that would eventually give rise to all complex life. Genetic analysis revealed something astonishing. These bacteria were producing specialized proteins that allowed them to adhere to each other, communicate, and even share nutrients. In essence, they were evolving a primitive form of multicellularity, just as early organisms did billions of years ago. Imagine this happening on an ancient Earth. A single mutation leads to clustering. Over time, clusters become more specialized. Some cells become feeders, others become protectors. Cooperation leads to efficiency, and efficiency leads to complexity. Could this be how the first steps toward multicellular life occurred? This discovery doesn't just help us understand the past, it could shape the future. Could we harness these bacteria to develop new medical treatments, tackle antibiotic resistance, or even engineer artificial evolution? Could this process help us create new, more complex forms of synthetic life? The journey of evolution is written in the DNA of every living thing, and these bacteria may just hold a missing chapter in that story. If primitive bacteria can make this transition today, could similar processes be happening elsewhere in the universe? Could distant exoplanet harbor life undergoing its own evolutionary leap? If life can evolve from single cells to multicellular organisms here, why not elsewhere? In the deep oceans of Europa, beneath the ice caps of Mars, or in the methane lakes of Titan, could similar evolutionary experiments be unfolding in real time? From bacteria to blue whales, from algae to redwood forests, the story of life is one of cooperation, adaptation, and survival. The microscopic alliances formed billions of years ago set the stage for everything that followed, including us. Life's ability to adapt, evolve, and survive knows no bounds. And sometimes the tiniest creatures reveal the biggest evolutionary secrets. If you found this discovery as mind-blowing as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious. Until next time, keep exploring the origins of life